6th of June 2024. This is Trap Trader from London, and I just got long here. 5 MES contracts. It's 9:10. We got 20 minutes till open. We do have the highs over here of this range. Overnight trading. This is a London high. We had a data. Let's bring that data here. We had unemployment claims 229. Market dropped on that. Now it's coming back into the range, and we'll probably they grabbed that whatever it's called, London overnight low. They grabbed that with that push. They tapped into this order block. We should push up here, sell into 73. That's gonna be my trade. I might have to wait till the open, till we go up there. I'm trading MES today, as I need to pass, and I already passed the 8 days trading Apex paid account. I'm up 1,000, 3,130, and this is just basically two-day trading today and tomorrow that I need to do to qualify to pay out. Right, so we are sitting the 5 contracts on MES. I'm trading 3 accounts at the same time, so I started trading another 2 paid accounts. And yeah, we'll see. Oops. Dropping. Oh, great. They decided to grab the liquidity. One more time. Let's see if we're gonna come back into that view up area. I'll have to close here. So that was just a nice pullback. Hopefully that's only pullback. Which will be both, and now we're gonna go up. Yeah. Good. So this is what I to collect that liquidity with that drop. Hopefully we're just gonna go up after that. There we go. Ready to pump? Ready to pump. It's like this is the place to add, to be honest. But Let's go up. See if we're gonna crack that view up and push into 60s. We have the 15 minutes candle. Let's see if we're gonna push for this view up now. No, we're just gonna see it here. It's 14 minutes still open. Let's go up. Crack that view up, push to 70, and then go 76. This is still long. You can see that here, you know. We've been ranging all night, we dropped, came back. I should go up there. Should sell into 72. Yeah. Just need to go above that 67. Above view up. And then we should travel very fast into 70s. If we break that low, we're gonna go low. So waiting for the open, basically. $12 still open. How about now? How about now? Got liquidity at 70. So, yeah. Are we gonna get that push before the open? There we go. The liquidity has been grabbed with that spike. We could get one more spike. They wanted to, but I don't think they're gonna do it now. 10 more minutes and we can pump through this 67 and then quickly go to 70. Straight is short. Big boys are long. Ooh, where's my time and sales? Because I need to see that. $66.50, 10, but that's what I want to see. Here we go. Cracking the level 67. Are we gonna crack it? There is yesterday high. It's green line. Can we get a push now? Let's go. 68 is loading. Come on, let's go. Good. Good. 7 more minutes still open. How about we're just gonna go to 70 now? I'm gonna take one. Stop loss break even. Risk removed from the trade. If we go, we make money. If we drop, it's a break even trade. That's it. Got 5-6 minutes till open. Can get a nice push into the highs. 70 would be my first thought. top, I think, 72. Let's see. 5 more minutes till open. Nice.
Order submitted.
Take one here. Maybe
Order
two.
submitted.
I'm taking everything. It's too close
Order filled.
to open. Okay, so $85 times 3. I don't like to be. One of my rules is do not stay for the open of your trade. So I'm out. I'm happy what I took. And I'm gonna wait for the open now. 3 more minutes. So what do we see? Let's just talk a little bit. What we see. So yesterday we did pump this into Nasdaq made all-time high. ES has got hasn't made all-time high. It has made all-time high on RTH, but not on electronic data. So electronic data, we just made all-time high today with the overnight auction. What else do we have? And we have been raging. This is London buy side. This is that was the range. That was the London sell side, but they dropped on the news. They pumped it up. We took that long somewhere here, right? We sold into this 70s. 69, 70. That's it. So they have taken London sell side because it's how you have to see. I mean, technically speaking, this is overnight low. But this whole drop was just to take this liquidity. And yeah, and now they will try to sell it in here into a London buy side. But before they pump this up here, we can get a little fake out. They can drop somewhere lower. So if we do, I'm gonna be a buyer one more time. If we just go and pump it up, then it's okay. We already took a trade. Made some money on it. There you go. So market is dropping. as you can see. Correct. Back into 66, 65 wants to be traded. Let's see if they're gonna get that. Should get a pump to 70. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I want to buy this somewhere here at 65, 66 probably. One more time, forget one more time. I don't think we're gonna get there. But 62 is flashing on Bookmap. Oh, we could get down there and grab this as well. 62. I don't know. See. And then try to sell into a London buy side at 72. 73. Financial juice. Do we have some data? No, no more data today.
ECB's Lagarde says if the neutral rate has increased, we're far away now.
Okay, going for this shelf, I think. Technically speaking, they don't need to because they already took the liquidity from the bottom. So what would be the reason to go lower again? They have taken this liquidity here. I think we should just go up. Yeah. Late. Well, not really late. But... Okay, let's try.
Order
Three.
filled.
We're gonna go with 3. That's the... Get
Order
another
filled.
3 here. Should pump into the 72, really. No reason to go lower. 77 even waiting. So what we're gonna do, we'll sell free here.
Order submitted.
Yeah, it's looking decent for a push.
Nasdaq hitting an intraday record high, last up 0.2%.
Okay, come on, push. Ugh.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
Hmm. I think they just want to buy more. Dollar is falling. That's a good sign. Well, I just need to hold now. $500 delta, $900 delta. That's good. Let's see. We're gonna take that high now and pop that.
Lagarde has ended the press conference.
$700 delta on this 3 minutes candle. This is looking good. Delta is holding. Keep buying. Let them buy. Let's go. Let's go, baby. They can do, get another 5 minutes. What they could do. Alright, I'm gonna
Order
take
canceled.
one package from here because the 15 minutes will finish in 5 minutes and
Order Order canceled.
Problem with that is that it can turn around. Let's hold the rest. Into this 72. $72, $75. Yeah. Okay, 4 minutes on this 15 minutes candle, so we have to be careful. Because the moment new 15-minute candle starts, the market will pull down. Most likely it will pull down. Come on, push into this. Let's go. $72, $73. Market will pull down. Yeah, most likely. Just to go and grab that 15 minutes trading. Market likes to do that. But we can get a push into 72, 73. Who knows? Three more minutes on this 15 minutes candle.
Order
Taking it
filled.
because I don't believe in this push now. Anyway, 141. I think what they're gonna do, they will come down, grab the liquidity. They can even go down here, grab all of it, and then we're gonna go. So, and they do have liquidity for that. 66. Look at that. 65. Yes, we can go down there to grab everything one more time. So let's wait. Maybe I got out too early, but it's okay. I don't need to make a lot of money today. It's just about marking the day. 140. It's okay. 43, 42. Big boys already selling. Look at that. Oh, where's my time and sales? God damn it. There you go. Look at this. 36, 29. So I think it was a good escape. We got out somewhere here. A lot of people will be holding for that all-time high. I mean, yeah, technically speaking, it's gonna be all-time high. There you go. Why this thing is just doing that all the time? High. Okay. 1 minute on the 15-minute candle. Technically speaking, we did take the high. I'm gonna be shorting this. Now, you got liquidity, right? The big bulb. They will get down there. Try to grab it one more time. 66. So, what we can do, can wait down there
Order
and buy it again.
submitted.
E
So I'm not saying we're not gonna go down.
ECB
Go on,
forecasts assume
Can still do that.
2024 oil price of $83.80 a barrel.
I moved my
And
thing.
ECB
Order
forecasts
canceled.
assume 2025 oil price of $78 a barrel and 2026 oil price of $74.50 a barrel.
Yep. Big boys are selling. Wow. 370. 370. Wow, 400. Should I short this? Street is long. Street is really long. I mean, honestly, this looks bearish. This looks bearish.
Order filled.
Gonna short. Let's see. Don't think we're gonna push higher. I think they're gonna go to grab that 66. So let's have a look.
So following the ECB press conference, the euro dollar currently up 0.25%.
$60. Yeah, somewhere here. Need to go and grab that bulb of liquidity, which is 67. Alright, so 67 and a quarter. I'm gonna be out. 66.25, we can see that. Alright, 66.25, so let's try 66.75.
According to sources, ECB's Holzman was the lone dissenter in Thursday's policy meeting.
View up again. I need to crack that view up. Push through it to the bottom. 66.25.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
Come on, drop. I mean, who knows? We might go even lower to grab that low. Yeah, 65.50. I'm gonna do this like that.
In 10 minutes'
Aye.
time now at the top of the hour, see the release of the Canadian IV PMI, prior 63. Nvidia turning negative now after initially rising as much as 2.6% since the open.
Nvidia negative. Wow. That sounds good to my short. That sounds really good for my short. $51.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna add one more
Order
here.
submitted.
ECB note that inflation is to reach 2% 1 quarter later than seen in March, according to their projections.
So we did sell into that high, overnight high. Nvidia is falling, they say. Wow, Nvidia pulled really, really low. What a nice dump. Okay. Let's see in 9 minutes if we're gonna get down there. To the 65. Need to break that view up first. RTH just trying to go through this RTH view up here. Eight more minutes. Can come back again. They wanted to. $65 is very, very possible. I'm gonna close one here.
Order cancelled.
Risk remove from the trade. I see 65, right?
Order
So we're
submitted.
gonna take 65. Let's see if we want to take more. $53, 7 more minutes. They could push this up now. They wanted to. Take me out, but yeah, they're heading on the short side. That's good. That's what we want to see. They are heading on the short side. I'm gonna cover
Order
one here
filled.
because it's a bit struggling with this view up. Six more minutes.
Order filled.
All right, gonna cover one here. Let's see how far can we drop. Maybe we'll go to the bottom. That's my runner. Why is this not updating? That is my runner. Nasdaq is very close to the
It's
overnight
been 5
low.
minutes time now at the top of the hour. See the release of the
So I
Canadian
think
IV
the
PMI.
US should
The
follow.
prior was 63.
See if we're gonna get a push lower. Got 5 minutes. Technically speaking, they did take that 15 minutes candle liquidity, as you can see, when they drop below. That's why I was closing. And if we get more on the short, that's great. But I will accept as well if it wants to come back and go for a 70.
Noting the S&P 500 currently up 0.04% on the session.
It's just the runner now. Can run or not. Because they don't need to go lower. They have collected a lot of liquidity. I mean, that will be the bottom of this. This is how low they need to go. So, but the bulk of liquidity is here, so they already took that. But we'll see. I might get a runner, right? And then runner's gonna go and grab this. Why is this not updating? Yeah, we're just gonna close it here. Not gonna be so greedy. Nasdaq already took overnight low. Let's see what they're gonna do, what Nasdaq's gonna do now. They're gonna come back up. They should. Okay, Nasdaq going even lower. But it's bouncing off. So forget about this runner. I think that's the maximum we can get.
Order
Oh.
filled.
Fine. 218. I'm happy with that. We're getting even more. We're dropping even more. So yeah, now it's a wait and see situation.
1 minute remaining.
Got some news here, huh? Don't know what the news is. Canadian news or something? Because it's not listed here. A euro. Or Canada. Thursday. ECB press conference. Canadian, yeah, okay, PMI. Right, so they did take that 15 minutes candle. How about this one? From Friday. Sorry, from yesterday.
10 seconds.
Big boys minus 982. Minus
52,
1000.
52.
Straight is buy. PMI. Canadian PMI 52. And I think that will conclude my trading on
Seeing
the
comments from Russia's deputy PM
36th
Novak
account.
says Russia almost completely fulfilled the OPEC Plus deal in May Russia will cut oil output to around 9 million barrels per day.
I don't need
by
to
the end of
trade this
June.
today anymore.
No back on why oil prices declined in wake of the OPEC Plus meeting. Says there are many speculative factors, wrong
I
interpretations of
will
the agreements
not
being one
need
of
to
them.
trade this
And
anymore.
Novak sees oil prices to be at $80 to $85 a barrel by the year end.
It's okay. And now we can trade these two other accounts. I'm using Replicanto for that. So 37 and 38. And you know what? Let's just turn this off. Get the new one. ES 37 and 38. All right. So we're gonna be trading now. ES contracts. I don't need MES anymore. Although I have to say it's much more. It's easier to trade with MES. It's less stressful. But we need to think a little bit different. 37. We have to think like we are trading MES contracts while we're trading ES contracts. Okay, so Nasdaq just pulled to the bottom of this range. It took overnight. ES has not taken overnight. Let's see. From 1,000 minus 1,000 to plus 867. $37. Looks like we're gonna push higher now. They collected a lot of liquidity with this drop. Well, let's look for some good entry. Free all. Okay, so it's 10 o'clock. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get continuation to the downside or we're gonna bounce 900. So watch this 15 on the sell side. I think they are building they want to buy more here. All right. Okay. So, no, we're not falling anymore. It's kind of sitting here and building up liquidity. I don't see much liquidity down here. Let's watch time and sales basically. What do I see here? Not much. Small guys. I think I'm gonna. I've got 20 on the sell side. 66, 75, 66. Okay. 67, 50, 16 contract. Well, that's big. 67.75. Just recent trading. 20 and 16, 68. Somebody sold. 67. Okay, so what time is it? 3:08, 10:08. Well, Street is buying 1,100. So I don't see big boys buying at the moment. They're not buying. They're just basically trading water in this area. I mean, Nasdaq did take that low, and ES hasn't taken a London low. So we could get down here at some point, but that means that Nasdaq will have to fall as well. Nvidia, woo, look at Nvidia. See that? Open, push into all-time highs, drop. Minus 4.5% down here. Doesn't look like a bullish day to me. Intel falling. Alphabet is pushing higher. Let's look at other people. Other stocks. What do we have? Amazon is pushing higher. Meta is pushing higher. Tesla. Look at it. Boom. Tesla dropping. I don't know. It doesn't look like we're gonna go higher. I don't think we're gonna go higher. I mean, we do have this liquidity 70. I'm talking about if we're gonna push higher here. Not sure. Not sure there. Let's watch time and sales now. I mean, it definitely wants to go up now. Because it has liquidity up there. The question is, who's pushing this up? Big boy, minus 14, minus 10. Yeah. Plus 17, okay. Plus 10. I would like to see on ES a drop to London sell side here. $69.25. That's opening price. Let's make it pink. Gosh, lovely weather in London. That's the opening price. We do have liquidity 70, 71, 72, free. Up to 77. 1,300, 700 plus. This is nothing. 700. So they kind of cancelled that drop. Dollar is trying to go higher. I don't know. $37 and we're trading 38. Okay. This is just sitting here, no change at all. 8, 18. Interesting. Well, it makes sense because I don't see any 10 here. It has to be 10. We can change. 8, 9. Alright, okay, that was 11. So that's correct. It's 18 minus 11. Now 17. Yeah, works. It does work. $3.15. Alright, so what do we have? We had this 15-minute candle taken. We have another one here. We have this top. See which way we're gonna go. I think I think because we did take that high, and because I see that should go down, we need to take that London low. I mean, technically speaking, we can push, try to get this traders out, whoever is short here. Take him out with that push into 69.70. By the way, dollar is pushing higher. Yeah. $69.50. Pretty much up here. Take whoever is short, take the person higher, so he gives up. So he gives up his trade, short trade, and then we dump it. So I will be waiting for the 70. 69.50. We do have a fair value gap here on 1 minute. 69.25. We'll see. Yeah, somebody's waiting at 370.
In 10 minutes' time now, at the bottom of the hour, see the release of the weekly EIA natural gas change. Forecast is a build of 92 BCF on the prior build of 84 BCF.
Ten more minutes on this period. Period B. And it all looks like we're gonna dump it, but if you look at the history of price movement, looks like we're gonna dump, and then boom. Anyway you look. Looks like we're gonna dump. Boom. Take everybody out. Then dump. So I'm waiting for that push up here to 70. And yeah, this is where we're gonna have a 15 minutes. Cluster of short cluster of selling basically. 100 contracts altogether. Around another cluster. $68, $70, $71. All right, let's watch this. 23 past. We said what? 69.5 to 70. Boom. They did take that. Wow. Right. A lot of people. Wow, that's crazy. Am I correct? Yeah. So we got that. We did get that push. Let's see how far we're gonna go. We're gonna dump now. Still have liquidity up to 73. Are we gonna reach that? Ooh. Yeah, difficult. That's what I want to see.
In 5 minutes
820.
time now, at the bottom of the hour, we see the release of the weekly EIA natural gas change. Forecast is a build of 92 BCF on the prior build of 84 BCF.
All right. One more try. Hopefully. Oh, look at that. Oof. Let's just wait for one more push up so they can load more shorts. Oh, look at it. Aggressively, somebody aggressively selling here. We have this 73 waiting, but there's a lot of liquidity jumping on that short. Delta. Look at this, Big Boys 1000. Are they going for the high again? 72, 73 and a quarter. So that was just 3/4. Technically speaking, that's okay. This has been taken. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Wow. And I missed my move. Oh, I missed my entry, sorry. But we're gonna
Order
get in
submitted.
there. Because we
Order
should get a
submitted.
continuation. I think we should get a continuation to downside. But I missed it by 4 points. And I've been chasing it. Delta. Look at this, 1,300. My entry is really bad. I chased that a little bit. Two more minutes. That would be much better entry somewhere in this area, 69. Big mistake on my side. $69.70. That's the price.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can
Order submitted.
drop lower now. One minute.
1 minute remaining.
Should get down there.
Ten seconds.
Hmm.
98 BCF build. That's a build of 98 BCF, higher than the expected build of 92 BCF.
Hmm. They're gonna push higher to 73, or we're gonna dump it now. I should dump. Grab that London low. Get
Order
out from this
filled.
thing. It was bad entry. I chased it. It's the price I have to pay. It's alright. I chased that here. We took a little loss on that. It's fine. I'm gonna stay here for a little bit longer, I think. But I still think we're gonna go lower. I'm just gonna get a better price. If I can get a better price. You could get another push to 71.25 up here. Yeah. So that was a good exit. Street is buying a little bit, so that's good. Let them buy. Let them buy. Ugh, come on. Don't break it. Honestly, I should just enter with my limit orders. That was terrible. What a terrible entry. That was a good one. I might just pull it one more time. Okay, Nasdaq is trying, yeah, Nasdaq is trying higher, but still not that high. Still just acceptable. I don't know. Are we gonna squeeze one more time? Not sure. Yeah. God damn it. I think I missed it. But technically speaking, you see that thing, you want to be in it, and then you get in there. How is this happening? How is this happening? God damn it. It's when you just enter the market.
ECB's Holzman confirms he dissented on the rate vote on Thursday.
I think we're gonna go now.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
Okay, we might pump one more time. Nasdaq is trying to to push, you know. Nasdaq is trying to push higher. Anyway. Okay, Street is buying. Big boys are still selling. All right. I think they're gonna go and grab that 72. Try for 73. Well, that's quite high. Okay, Nasdaq is attacking the top high of the day. Street is pushing this higher. Fifteen minutes. Let's do that. Let's see, another 15 minutes candle. High. We'll see. Straight 825. Five more minutes on this candle. On that 15 minutes candle.
German Finance Minister Lindner says the ECB rate cut is a good signal for the economy.
So let's analyze this. What happened? Okay. They pushed into the highs, 73. London buy side by 3/4. And they dropped. They dropped and they collected that liquidity. Let's mark that. So that was this low. we pushed high into the 70s, like I was waiting for the 70s, and I didn't enter my trade. I got in here, and then I got in there. Got out with a small loss. $40 loss. It's 10:42. Street is buying. Let me just restart this now. I want to see who's buying, who's selling. Street is selling now. Okay, buying. They're not interested in that bid. Two more minutes, and we have liquidity here and there. Drop down here. 58, 75. Here. Street is buying again. In 1 minute, we'll have buy side on this candle. On this 15 minutes candle. Yeah. Big boys are buying. 29. Street is buying.
ECB officials all but rule out a July cut, with September unclear.
Protect your trades
I'm
from
gonna try to go and
macroeconomic
grab
risk
that
with
and this
Financial Juice
liquidity
Pro.
now.
Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
It's just in the middle of
So
the
ECB
range.
bank officials are all but excluding a second interest rate cut in July, and some are also questioning if such a move would be wise at the following meeting in September, according to people familiar with the matter.
Okay. $60, 63, 63 waiting. Just in the middle of the range. Nothing to do. Yeah. Nothing to do. More and more liquidity traded at this POC 67.5. At some point, we will move into the extreme of the range. To the bottom of the range or to the top. One way or the other. Straight is selling. One big boy panicked and sold as well. Okay, we have more selling coming in. There you go. We're gonna grab the 15 minutes probably as well. Street is really short right now, minus 1,000. Okay, are we gonna go and grab that or not? 51. Somebody sold 25. go to the extreme. I don't know. Are we gonna drop low? Ooh, big buying. 40, 20, 15, 21. Street is selling. That's what we want to see. 360. Waiting to be traded. Well, there's a bunch of buyers here. Most likely gonna bounce out this level. It would be a waste if we didn't go and grab that liquidity down here. That would be a waste. Oh, they know that all the shorts are trying to cover down here. They're not gonna give it to them. Yeah. One tick. Okay, got 7 more minutes. We could pump it up there to sell. They have collected a lot now. Street is short. Not buying it. $62 is waiting. So this is like micro pullbacks. Trading in the range. A little bit of drop, a little bit of pump. Leg 1, leg 2. The only problem I see that we didn't take that long. But they didn't need to. There was enough here. It's just zero liquidity down here. Five more minutes. What's the range? 71, 62, 9 points. So you can catch out of it. If you get on 65, 68, you can catch 3 points. Maybe 4. It's a range trading. $62, $61. $62 already. Don't know if I'm gonna catch anything here. Back to middle. Calm down here. shop around. Okay, we'll try to
Order submitted.
get this somewhere here. $65. Let's see. All these candles are overlapping. So, trying to catch. We did take 1, 2 candles. 1 and 2 of 15. We could sell into that one. Maybe even up here. No, I wouldn't be that greedy on my long. I'll be selling it here. Or just in front of it. Maybe here. Wait.
Order cancelled.
This is 1 minute till period close, so I think we can get down there. Just 1 minute away from it. So I am in the fucking trade. How? Yeah, it didn't close.
Order filled.
Something.
So the US to sell $58 billion in 3-year notes on June 10th to settle on June 17th. And the US to sell
My
$70
replicant
billion in 3-month bills on
Didn't.
June 10th to settle on June 13th.
remove my
The US
order.
to sell $46 billion in
Fast enough.
52-week bills on June 11th to settle on June 13th.
The straight is selling 1,400. Let's see.
And the US to sell $70 billion in 6-month bills on June 10th to settle on June 13th.
I'm
Order
gonna buy this now.
submitted.
An IMF
Order
spokesperson
submitted.
says there needs to be some slowing in the US economy in 2024. The US economy has proven resilient and domestic demand
so we
remains
have
strong,
collected
but there are some signs
everything.
of easing in the labor
No,
market
it's just
conditions.
Now I'm just gonna hold. Street is minus 1,800, so that's decent. They can
And
take
IMF
them up.
spokesperson says there has been considerable progress in reducing inflation in Europe.
They can take them up. Let's go. Let's push into this POC now. So we are 61. We're gonna close somewhere here. I mean, they should actually take them up there, 67. That's what should happen. Yeah. Because if you short, your stop loss is above 67. Right? That's what they told you. This is what they told you to put your stop loss. Put your stop loss about 67.5. I want to close before that. I'm not going to be such a greedy
Do you
bastard.
want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get
I
our
don't know.
special offer
We'll see.
of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service
Might take
for
some
the
time
price
to
of
get
1
there.
month and save 92%.
We should travel, to be honest, we should travel even up to here, you know. Up to here. But it's gonna take a long time. It's gonna take a long time. It's a good entry. I like that entry. Yeah. Take them up here. I'm gonna sell because then we can a little bit, you know, pull a little bit lower. 61, 67. Yeah, like 5 points. That's all right. I'm happy with that. If I can get it. So range trading. I used to trade it a lot. So after a push like this, after a big day like yesterday, this market is just gonna range. We're most likely gonna push up there anyway, but 69, 70. It's just the problem is the view up. We'll bounce up that view up for sure. So there is a solution to that. There's a solution to that. Just get more. Get one more. Street is so short. I like that. Big boys are buying. Are holding at least, they're not selling. So that's a good thing. Big boy sold a little bit. Should we wait for that 70? What do you think? It's 3 points more. Need to crack that view up first. I will definitely get a bounce from view up. So What I want to do is I'm gonna book profit here if I can get it. Yeah. Okay, it's lunchtime now. Well, not yet, but almost. We'll see. If we get that push into 67. Come on, push. I mean, the VWAP will be a problem here for sure. 67.25, this is what the VWAP is, so let's go one tick below. Or maybe even two. Okay.
Target filled.
Boom. Thank you. Why is still showing me that thing? All right. It's pretty safe to trade today in the range. I might stay a little bit longer. If I see a pullback, I'll get in one more time. Get in one more time somewhere here. If I can see a bit
Order
pullback,
submitted.
a little bit of pullback. But I don't think we're gonna get down there. We could just trade here and then drop it, grab that low, push again higher. It's possible. Let's see. It's the same scenario like here. We pushed into the extreme, we dropped, and then we came back, dropped, and then we took that to the high to drop to the bottom. So we can do the same thing right now. Drop down here. Even 60, look at that. That 60 is waiting here somewhere. Even that 60 is waiting somewhere here. $61. Try one more time with the view up. Yeah, they did drop below this. They will try to push into view up 67, so I got 2 points on the horizon if you're long, unless they would just dump it below that. That would be nice. Dump below. I don't know. I don't like the 61 here. But there is a little bit of pressure from here. 64. Like a second trial view up. Straight is still short. Let them get even more short. Let them get shorter. Let's just wait.
Order cancelled.
So I got a 15 minutes candle now. At the bottom. That's the top.
Fed bids for 4-week bills total $285.6 million.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
Let's extend this high. No reason to go lower, but yes, we could trade a little bit lower, and then eventually go and grab that London low, and then we're gonna pump it up and sell into the highs at the end of the day. So what I think, I'm gonna probably finish this AM session, stop recording, and we'll be waiting for the London sell side to be taken. If I see it, I'll record another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, well then, update on today. This is my 9th day on this paid account.
US oil
53.
futures rise by more than $1 a barrel now to around $75.08.
52. So it's $3,366 up. One more day to do till payout. And I started to trade these two accounts. This one started yesterday. This one today. So 2 days on this one day on this one. Today we have, what is it? 400.
And Brent crude futures gain more than $1 a barrel.
That's $1,000 today. My goal is to build up these accounts. I have another one very, very close to pass. 96. It's here. Once I pass this 96 as well, I'm going to be trading 2 paid accounts and then another 2 paid accounts in, every 10 days. So I can collect payouts. Oh, look at it. Look at my exit. What a beautiful exit. But anyway, it's lunch. This is outside of my trading hours. I don't trade after 4 p.m. London. I shouldn't. I lose my edge basically when I do that. It's a positive day. It's $1,000 day. Happy with that. So, stopping here. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and see you tomorrow.